Driving a big rig or a heavy-duty tractor means your hands are on that wheel for hours. And frankly, the standard 18-inch wheel can be brutal. This GG Grand General Deluxe Plus cover claims to transform that experience entirely. But can a PVC cover really deliver deluxe comfort? Let's find out. First off, we have to talk about the size. This is specifically designed for the 18-inch steering wheel crowd, the trucks and tractors that need that extra diameter. It's not a one-size-fits-all gimmick. The aesthetic is immediately striking. The amber and black combination is bold, giving a real custom look to the cab that definitely stands out. The material is high-quality PVC, which is standard, but the texture is what makes the difference. They call it football, and that aggressive, pebbled surface provides serious grip. You absolutely do not want your hands sliding when you're maneuvering a heavy load, and this texture locks you in nicely, even if your hands are tired or sweaty. But the real star here, the reason they call it Deluxe Plus, is that unique black comfort pad. It's strategically placed and features extra padding. Think of it as an ergonomic upgrade for your hands. On those long stretches, having that extra cushion where your palms rest makes a huge difference in reducing fatigue. It feels substantial, not flimsy, which is a relief. Installation is exactly what you'd expect, an easy slip-on process. But the critical safety element is the reinforced durable rubber lining. It grips the existing wheel tightly. You need confidence that this cover isn't going to shift or spin independently, and the rubber lining seems robust enough to prevent that dangerous movement. It's a superior quality fit. Overall, the GG Grand General 54011 delivers exactly what the heavy-duty driver needs: superior style combined with genuine, practical comfort. If you spend serious time behind an 18-inch wheel and need an upgrade that prioritizes both grip and reduced hand fatigue, this is a fantastic, durable option. It's a simple upgrade that makes a massive difference on the road.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.